how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. Today we are celebrating Animals Day and International Tiger Day. So that's why we are decorating so many animals here. So kids, now let's go to the jungle safari with me. आज हम जंगल में different type के animals देखेंगे. So let's find out the different types of animals. What is this? This is elephant. And what is this, kids? This is tiger. This is giraffe. This is tiger cub. बच्चों, आज हमने जंगल सफारी की और हमने कौन कौन से एनिमल्स देखे? बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखे ना. इसमें हमने टाइगर्स देखा, जिराफ देखा और बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखे जो एक दूसरे से बहुत डिफरेंट थे. So kids, now I am going to tell you some facts about animals because today we are celebrating Animals Day. तो अब मैं आपको animals के बारे में बताऊंगी. So kids, do you know that animals have also feelings and they can also feel pain. बच्चों, animals पे भी feeling होती है, उन्हें भी pain होता है, इसलिए हमें कभी भी animals को hurt नहीं करना चाहिए. So kids, when someone hurt them, they can't express their feeling, their pain. They can't express their feeling, their pain. बच्चों, जब animals को कोई भी hurt करता है, तो वो कभी भी अपनी feelings express नहीं कर पाते दूसरों से, जैसे humans करते हैं. जब आपको पता है ना, जब pain होती है तो हम express करते हैं, अपनी feelings को show करके एक दूसरे को बताते हैं, लेकिन animals ऐसा कभी नहीं कर सकते. So kids, never hurt them because God made us very intelligent species. So that is why we have to protect these animals, not hurt them. Okay kids? जितना हम उन्हें प्रोटेक्ट और उन्हें सेव करेंगे, हम उनके लिए केयर दिखाएंगे, उतना ही वो हमसे फ्रेंडली रहेंगे. Always love the animal because if you love the animal, they will give their love in return to you. तो बच्चों, हमें हमेशा एनिमल से लव करना चाहिए because on the other side, animals are very important for our environment. Kids, but in today's time, humans use the animals for their comfort. That is why so many species of animals are disappear and some are in danger, nearing to the end like tigers. बच्चों, humans की इन्हीं मिस्टेक की वजह से बहुत सारे एनिमल्स डिसअपेयर हो गए हैं और कुछ खतरे में हैं, जैसे टाइगर. So kids, as we also celebrate International Tiger Day, do you know kids, the International Tiger Day, also known as Global Tiger Day, is celebrated every year of 29th of July. बच्चों, इंटरनेशनल टाइगर डे को हम ग्लोबल टाइगर डे भी बोलते हैं. इसे हम हर साल 29th of July को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं because raise awareness for tiger conservation. Do you know why we celebrate International Tiger Day? बच्चों, क्या आपको पता है हम इस डे को क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? इस डे को सेलिब्रेट करने का मेन रीजन क्या है? हम इस डे को इसलिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं क्योंकि अब टाइगर्स की जो पॉपुलेशन है वो बहुत कम रह गई है. हम टाइगर्स को सेव और प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए इस डे को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेटेड टू प्रमोट द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल हैबिटेट ऑफ टाइगर्स. सो किड्स, नाउ लर्न सम इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट अबाउट द टाइगर्स. Okay, the tiger is the largest family member of the cat family, and the tiger are strong, powerful, and one of the most feared predators. क्या बच्चों, आपको पता है टाइगर सभी एनिमल्स में सबसे ज्यादा फेयर और बहुत पावरफुल एनिमल्स होता है. इट्स टाइगर कैन रीच ऑफ स्पीड 65 किलोमीटर पर आवर. बच्चों, टाइगर की जो स्पीड होती है वो 65 किलोमीटर पर आवर होती है.
So kids, let's know more about the tigers through this video, okay? So kids, tiger population have declined dramatically over the last 100 years, almost 97%. Biggest threat to tiger conservation is poaching and habitat destruction. Kids, wildlife crime has reached critical levels globally, estimate 19 billion annually. Every part of tiger is sold in market from the whiskers to the tail. But there is still hope. Given adequate space, prey and protection, wild tiger populations can increase quickly. Every time we protect a single tiger, we protect around 25,000 acres of forest through which we get clear air, water, food and products. Good news is in 2010, the governments of the world's 13 tiger range countries set an ambitious species conservation goal to double the number of tiger in the wild by 2022. Kids, do you know the tiger is a unique animal which plays a pivotal role in the health and diversity of an ecosystem. If the tigers go extinct, the entire system would collapse. It's not just about saving a beautiful animal, it is also about saving 1,000 of other species including us that are dependent on this majestic predator at the top of the food chain. बच्चों, जैसे अभी हमने वीडियो के थ्रू देखा कि कैसे ह्यूमंस की इलीगल हंटिंग की वजह से अब टाइगर एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीसीज बनते जा रहे हैं, तो हमें इनके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को अवेयर करना चाहिए. ओके किड्स?
And one more thing, kids, about the Tiger Day is the day is celebrated with the slogan "Their survival is our hand." बच्चों, इस डे को एक फेमस स्लोगन के द्वारा सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है और वो स्लोगन है "Their survival is our hand." तो इसका मतलब है कि इनकी जिंदगी हमारे हाथ में. अगर हम इन्हें प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, इन्हें सेव करेंगे और इनके कंजर्वेशन के लिए कुछ हेल्प करेंगे, हमारे इकोसिस्टम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके किड? We can also use this day to support tiger conservation issues and raise awareness. After all, when more people are aware or something, they are going to be more inclined to help. That is why this day is so important. Kids, a lot of people are not aware of this threat, so spreading the knowledge can help to make sure that all do our bit to ensure that the tiger future is a fruitful one. अभी भी बहुत सारे ह्यूमंस ऐसे हैं जो टाइगर कंजर्वेशन के लिए बिल्कुल भी अवेयर नहीं है. There will be a lot of videos and interesting pieces of content going around that you can share with others. Okay, kids? Kids, do you know how many tigers left in the world? So, kids, according to Worldwide Federation (WWF), there are only 3,900 tigers left in the world. And since the beginning of the 20th century, 95% of the world's wild tiger population has disappeared. बच्चों, वर्ल्ड वाइड फेडरेशन यानी WWF के अकॉर्डिंग टाइगर्स की पॉपुलेशन सिर्फ 3,900 ही रह गई है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ स्टोरी अबाउट रिलेशन ऑफ ह्यूमंस एंड एनिमल. तो बच्चों, अब हम एक स्टोरी देखेंगे जिसमें ह्यूमंस और एनिमल्स की फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में दिखाया गया है. चलिए अब हम स्टोरी देखते हैं.
Once upon a time, there were two friends, a man and a tiger. Yes, a man and a tiger. But how did they become friends? That is a long story. Long ago, the tiger used to live in a forest. One day, as he was roaming in the jungle, he stepped on a thorn. Ouch! Cried the tiger. It was very painful. He tried to remove the thorn himself, but all his efforts were in vain. At that time, this man happened to pass by.
What is that sound? Looks like some animal is in pain.
He followed the sounds and reached the place where the tiger was lying down.
Oh, it's a tiger!
However, he felt pity for the poor animal and decided to help him. He walked up to it and pulled out the thorn. The tiger licked him with gratitude and walked away without hurting him. A few days later, a group of dacoits invaded the jungle and took the animals captive with them. They took them to their village to play a cruel game.
We want to see how well this tiger can fight a man!
The starved tiger was ready to pounce on the man, but stopped. It was the same man who had helped him once. The mighty tiger went near him and licked him. The man lovingly patted the tiger. Watching this, the dacoits realized their mistake. They immediately set both of them free. From that day onwards, the man and the tiger became the best of friends.
So kids, now it's time for our activity. For activity, we need orange sheet, and if you don't have any orange sheet, so you take your drawing sheet. So kids, now you have to make a circle like this to make a tiger mask. After draw the circle, we will take a scissor for cut the mask. Okay, so you will take your parents' help to cut this mask. So kids, now you will cut it like this. तो बच्चों, जब भी आप टाइगर मास्क बनाएंगे तो आपको अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प लेनी है और खुद से सीधे से कट नहीं करना है. किड्स, यू हैव टू कट 2 big circle for the mouth and 2 small circle for the eyes and 1 triangle shape for the nose. Okay. So now you have to color it like this with the help of black color. So kids, now we will assemble these on the face of tiger mask. So we will paste it here. Kids, you have to paste it with the help of fabric. Now we will paste the tiger eyes here. Okay, like this. Now we will paste tiger mouth here. So kids, you also have to paste like this. Okay, now we will paste here nose. Now we will complete the tiger face by making tiger strips. Okay, so kids, you also have to do like this. Now we have done tiger face. Then you have to cut the circle with the black paper. Okay, and cut the circle edges like this. Okay kids. After cutting it look like this. तो बच्चों, जब हम इसके सर्कल को कट करेंगे तो उसके बाद देखिए कितना सुंदर सा बन जाएगा ये. इसके बाद हम टाइगर फेस को इसके ऊपर पेस्ट करेंगे. सो किड्स, पेस्ट इट लाइक दिस. ओके, ऑन द ब्लैक पेपर. बच्चों देखिए, अब हमारा टाइगर मास्क रेडी हो गया ऑलमोस्ट. अगर आपकी पेपर शीट पतली है तो यू कैन यूज कार्डबोर्ड इन द बैक साइड. ओके, यू विल पेस्ट हियर. After completing the tiger mask, we will paste here ribbon to hold the mask. Okay kids, आपको भी यहाँ पे रिबन को ऐसे पेस्ट करना है. देखिए, रिबन को पेस्ट करने के बाद हमारा टाइगर मास्क रेडी हो गया. अब ऐसे ही आपको टाइगर मास्क बनाना है.
So kids, after making the mask, you have to take a photo of the tiger mask and send it to the office number. Okay kids? Now kids, after activity, let's do some homework. So I am giving you some homework. You have to do it after your activity. Okay kids? Thank you.